If you've ever tried using AI to process documents or extract structured data, you've probably run into the same problem. AI can help extract the information you need, but first you have to tell it what to extract. It needs a blueprint, and that's where metadata templates come in. Metadata templates define the business information you want to capture. Things like customer names, suppliers, contract values, renewal dates, and much more. Once that information becomes structured metadata and applied to content at scale, you can automate business process workflows, build views and dashboards to accelerate content discovery, and power AI experiences across Box. But creating those templates has traditionally been a manual, cumbersome process, requiring admins to manually add metadata fields, select metadata field types, and configure instructions and prompts to tell the agent what data to extract and where to find it. But what if Box AI can build a template for you? That's exactly what we aimed to accomplish with AI-generated metadata templates in Box Extract. Getting started is easy. From within the Box All Files page, select Automate, and then Box Extract. And navigate to the New tab and select Custom Extract Agent, and give your Custom Extract Agent a name. Now we must define a metadata template to map the extracted data to. Historically, these templates needed to be created, configured, and activated within the admin console. But now we can create new metadata templates directly within Box Extract. And with the power of the Box agent, we can generate a template instantly by selecting several sample files for the Box agent to leverage as a point of reference and create the metadata template. These files don't have to be identical. They're just examples that help the Box agent understand the structure of the information you care about most for any particular use case. Now we click Generate with Box AI. In just a few seconds, the Box agent analyzes the documents and automatically creates a metadata template, identifying the fields to map data to, choosing the appropriate field types, and even generating instructions and prompts for each field to guide the custom extract agent on which data to extract and where to find that data for maximum accuracy. Navigating through each individual field, we can view the field properties, including taxonomies if applicable, the field name, the field type, and the AI-generated custom instructions that can be toggled on or off. Users also have the ability to add new fields, move each individual field up or down the template, as well as delete the fields altogether. And because every business is different, nothing is locked. With the power of AI, Box Extract gives you the head start in enabling you to stay in control of your data and how you choose to structure it. Users can then save the template and configure the rest of their custom extract agent, including the ability to choose between the standard extract agent for fast, simple extraction from well-structured, shorter documents, or the enhanced extract agent for longer, more complex, multimodal documents that require advanced techniques. Configure your metadata policy to determine whether to keep existing metadata values or override those values with new metadata. And determine which source folder to apply this custom extract agent to automate extraction at scale. Existing files within the designated folder and any new files added to the designated folder will automatically be processed. The newly generated metadata template is now available throughout Box. Use it in Box Extract to easily map extracted data alongside your content, or power metadata views within Box apps to surface the right content at the right time, or automate workflows and downstream processes in Box Automate, like generating custom documents with custom metadata, approval routing, document classification, and so much more. AI shouldn't just help with extracting information, it should eliminate the work required to get started. With AI-generated metadata templates in Box Extract, what used to take hours now takes seconds. Now that's AI in action.